Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing both devices, charge the Beats to at least 20% and power them off to reset state. Then, on your phone or laptop, open Bluetooth settings and keep the screen unlocked so Discovery stays active. Once done, press and hold the Beats power button for about 5 to 7 seconds until the LED flashes white. This is the pairing signal. You do this because entering pairing mode broadcasts the device name. It lets other devices find and request a secure connection. Now look at your device's Bluetooth list, and within 30 seconds, tap Beats Studio Pro when it appears. Discovery windows are short, so act promptly. After selecting it, accept any pairing prompts. Some systems ask to confirm or show a PIN. If asked, enter 0000. Make sure to allow permissions for audio and calls if prompted. Otherwise, you may get limited functionality. Once paired, you'll see a connected status and hear an audible chime. This verifies the secure link is active. Finish by confirming the Beats are selected as the audio output in your app or OS, especially if multiple devices are available. If you run into trouble, no sound, intermittent dropouts, power cycle both the headphones and your device, then forget the Beats in Bluetooth settings and repair from scratch. This clears stale caches. Also, make sure to update Beats firmware via the Beats app when available, because updates fix connectivity bugs and improve stability. This step often resolves persistent pairing failures.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.